Wealth isn't money. It's coffee, water, housing, cars, labor, clean air, basically anything other than money. Money is just a medium for exchanging them. In economics, we call these goods and services commodities. Simple? Not quite. The concept of commodity can be as nuanced as it is fundamental to economic decision-making. For example, is bread in the US the same commodity as otherwise identical bread in Africa? Not unless you believe bread is the same commodity as flour, microchips are the same as silicon, or the Statue of Liberty is the same as copper. Just as flour needs to be mixed with another commodity, that is energy, to turn into bread, bread in the US needs to be mixed with another commodity, i.e. transportation, to turn into bread in Africa. The cost of this transportation can be so high as to make growing wheat in Africa cheaper, hence more justifiable than taking American wheat to Africa. Likewise, bread today is a different commodity from bread next week, so long as it needs to be mixed with another commodity, i.e. energy in the form of power in your fridge, to turn into bread next week, rather than rotten bread.